In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to play Please Donate on Roblox by creating your own stand, setting up game passes, and starting to accept donations as well as donating to other players. To get started, open any browser and go to roblox.com, then log into your Roblox account. The very first thing you want to do is, before entering the Please Donate game, create a game pass. For that, navigate to the section Create, then click on the option Creations. Head over to the section of Experiences. Now click on a place, then navigate to the section Monetization. Under that, you're gonna find the option Passes. Click on that. Now click on the option Create Pass. Now I can upload an image if you want, but it's optional. Enter a name for your game pass, optionally added a description. Make sure everything follows Roblox rules and then create the pass. After creating the pass, scroll down until you see it listed and you'll notice it says off sale. Click on the pass, go to sales on the left hand side and toggle item for sale on. Now enter the amount of Robux you want to receive as a donation, save the changes and confirm. Once that's done, you'll see your game pass listed with its price, which means it's ready to be used in Please Donate. Now I can actually enter the game, go back to roblox.com, search for Please Donate, click on it and press play. Once you load into the game, walk up to any stand that says unclaimed and hold the claim button to take ownership of it. As soon as you claim the stand, the game passes you created will automatically appear as green buttons on a stand, allowing other players to donate to you. If you want to customize your stand, walk up to it again until you see the edit option, press the edit key. From there, you can change the text on your stand, adjust the font, colors, borders, and even the boot style. Some customization options may require in-game experience, but basic edits are available right away. When you are finished, close the editor and your updated text will appear on the stand. When players donate to you, you can claim those donations by going to the left-hand menu in the game, selecting the gift icon and then clicking the mail icon. Any donated Robux will appear there and you can claim them directly. If you want to donate to other players instead, simply walk up to their stand, select the donation amount you want and confirm it. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.